In today's video, I'm gonna share 4 exercises that gonna fix asymmetrical face. Hey everyone, this is Asal and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about asymmetrical face and how to fix that. Let's start with our first exercise. I put my fingertips behind my ears and I go up to my scalp like this. We do this for 30 seconds to 1 minute. This exercise will also help with the sagging face, puffy under eyes, also headache and migraine. So slowly for 30 seconds, I'm going upwards to my scalp from behind my ears. I'm gonna go to the back of my head. I'm gonna put my hair up so you can see. This area is so important to reduce headache, sagging skin, asymmetrical face, because most of our blood veins that are going to our head going from this part. These blood veins have the nutrition for the skin of our head and also our face muscles. I'm gonna start massaging this part like this, and I'm gonna go up a little to my scalp for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, I go up a little and start massaging into my scalp for 10 more seconds. I'm not hurting myself, but my pressure is firm. Then again, I come down and start massaging for 10 more seconds. Again, I go to the back of my ears and repeat the same movement from the ears upwards to the scalp for 30 seconds. On the back of your ears, you're gonna feel a very firm bone, so that would be your clue to where to put your fingertips. And then I'm gonna massage these muscles here for 10 seconds. Okay, I'm back. Let's go to our next exercise, and that is the famous exercise called mewing. I'm sure that all of you heard of it. We can say that mewing is the proper tongue posture, and that means to press your tongue up against the roof of your mouth all the time. It's a little tricky exercise to do, but I'm gonna teach you a very quick and easy way today so you can learn how to do mewing perfectly. Start by saying the word sing like this. Sing. So as you can notice, your tongue goes up and sticks to the roof of your mouth. Apply a little bit of pressure upward and hold your tongue up for 30 seconds. Let's start. Sing. Okay, how was it? If you're feeling okay, let's repeat it one more time. Sing. You can do this exercise all day with your mouth closed and no one can notice that you are doing the mewing exercise. Like this. Sing. next exercise is for our masseter muscle. Masseter muscles are placed here at the corner of our jaw, and they are big muscles. If you are chewing mostly on one side of your mouth, these masseter muscles will get tighter and more developed, and the other gonna get more atrophy. So this exercise will relax, loosen, and stretch the tighter and more developed masseter muscle. For this exercise, place your thumbs firmly under your cheekbones, apply a little pressure upwards, but try not to hurt yourself. Then I'm gonna lower my jaw as far as I can, and I'm gonna hold this for 10 seconds, and then I'm gonna repeat this for 3 times, like this. Okay, this was the first one. Put the thumbs under the cheekbones, apply a little pressure upwards, and lower your jaw. A little rest. Let's go for the last 10 seconds. Okay, the last exercise is lateral stretch. First, take your hand and push gently in each direction on your jaw to find out which side is tighter. It's gonna look like this. So right now I found out that this side of my face and my masseter muscle is tighter. So I'm gonna push in the opposite direction like this, and I'm gonna hold for 10 seconds. I'm gonna do this for both sides, but I'm gonna do 2 more sets for the tighter side. And 10 seconds for the other side. So these 2 more sets will loosen up the tighter side and relax the muscle. Okay, we're done. So this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you. Ask me any questions that you have about the skincare and face yoga in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye. Taking my fingers and with the tip of start with our first. Wow.